Meguiar's DA Power System kit comes with everything you need to take detailing to the next level. Convert your standard corded drill into a dual-action polisher simply by attaching the DA Power System tool. With Ultimate Compound and the DA Compound Pad, you can quickly remove oxidation, scratches, swirls, and water spots without harming your paint. Ultimate Polish and DA Polish Pad help to create deep, wet reflections and prepare your paint for wax. Finish with Ultimate Liquid Wax and a DA Wax Pad to give your vehicle maximum protection, durability, and depth of color. Save time and effort, get amazing results, and let your drill do the work with the DA Power System kit.
Protect your drill with the Rhino Hook, a cordless drill holder specially designed with secure fastening systems and tether spots for your gear. A safety latch held by a strong loaded spring to catch and release your tools. And shock-resistant crash pads to protect you and your drill. Safe, sturdy, secure. The Rhino Hook. Don't endanger your drill. Order today.
使用 HSS 钢的3刀头，钼合金的本体是锌合金，使用6角的快速头，所以它可以快速的使用。
European-style hinges are a great way to go when you're mounting cabinet doors. They're concealed for a sleek, clean look, and they offer easy adjustment for perfect door alignment. With Rockler's exclusive line of jigget solutions, they're easy to install too, and the only power tool you need is a handheld drill. On the doors, the Jigget Deluxe hinge drilling system lets you quickly bore precise, perfectly aligned holes for the hinge cups. The jig configures to match your hinge specifications, and the clamp bases slip easily on the edge of your door, elevating the door enough to accommodate Bench Cookie Plus work grippers for no-slip stability. Positioning is as simple as lining up the center marks on the jig with your center lines on the door and tightening down. The spring-loaded drilling guide comes with a stop collar that lets you set the exact drilling depth. The drill guide fits snugly onto the steel template on the clamp base. Then you simply drill, and you end up with precisely positioned, perfectly vertical hinge cup holes of just the right depth.
Drilling and tapping holes traditionally required a lot of time and multiple tools to get the job done. Klein's Drill Tap Toolkit features all the tools needed to drill, tap, and deburr in one easy step. Great for aluminum, brass, copper, plastic, and mild steel, and can be used on up to 10 gauge metal. Each tap works easily with the Quick Connect in Power Tools and is made of high-speed steel for added durability. This convenient kit comes with 6 commonly used tap tools plus 2 extra of the smaller size taps. The carrying case keeps your taps in one place for immediate access. Multiple tools in one, combined with easy portability and a quality product, makes the Drill Tap Toolkit your go-to kit to drill, tap, and deburr in one easy step. Klein Tools, dedicated to the professional tradesperson since 1857.